Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to send money from ATM to Binance. In this tutorial, I won't use P2P to transfer the fund. Instead, I send them directly using USDC stablecoin in ATM. This method is both cheaper and faster. Let's get started. First, go to ATM website or open the app and then log in. Now we on the home page. To withdraw, head over to the stablecoin section and click on it. Here you'll see the option to add and withdraw funds. Since we are withdrawing, click on the withdraw section. Next, select the coin you want to withdraw. We'll withdraw USDC and exchange it later. Click on USDC. Currently, you can only withdraw using the Stellar and Ethereum networks. In this case, we'll use the Stellar network. Now, go to your crypto wallet or exchange platform. In this tutorial, I'm using Binance, but you can use any platform that supports Stellar or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to send. Below, it will display how much you receive after the fee. Choose the direct transfer option. Then click continue. Select Stellar USDC. Open the Binance website or app. Go to Deposit Crypto section. Search for USDC. Click on it and select Stellar network. Copy the deposit address, and if it requires a memo code, copy that as well. Return to ATM and paste the address and memo code into the field. If this is your first time withdrawing, this field will be empty. Since I previously used the address, it was saved automatically. After passing the required information, click confirm. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify the transaction. If you have two-factor authentication set up, enter the confirmation code. Once completed, the transaction will be processed. Wait a couple of minutes, then check your Binance account to confirm the funds have been successfully added. That's how you can send money directly from ATM to Binance using USDC. It's faster and cheaper than peer-to-peer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more updates. Goodbye.